Gaya-gaya ka. Ayan na. Hmm? Sorry.
Night 2. Mag-night 2 tayo. Ayusin mo Hindi ka.
Ikaw yun eh.
Baba ka.
Ang tagal.
Makapag-gintay.
Hindi.
Daddy, why won't
Ano ba?
see?
Ah!
Ate lang mo.
Daddy, dito niya masyado.
Alam ko naglalag ba ako. Disconnected. Disconnected ko.
How should I go? Oh, the part 2 yan.
Opo. Night 2 na to. Ay. Ay ba?
Daddy, we let the other children go here. Why won't you let me go?
Ano ba?
Genser. Yan.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you will try back for another night of intellectual stimulation. Thank you for choosing and self-reflection on past mistakes.
Thanks, Titin.
We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. For male, press 1. For female, press 2. For text only,
Kasi
press
ballerina
3.
eh.
For other options, press 4.
Si ballerina yun eh.
Tara.
Tot, 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 tot.
Uy, ano yung tinutok ko?
Tot, 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 tot. Ayaw.
Okay na yan, tara na.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. Get up now. Whatever. Stay here if you want.
Bakit ayaw, ma'am? Hindi mo naman pa pala tinatap. Ito.
So, funny
Story. A dead body was found in his bed once.
Okay,
Nice.
so,
Uy!
Sarap.
it's a story.
Ano? Ano? Listen mo. Hey, Bab.
Hindi mo.
Naglalag ka. You know. Tagal.
Ah!
Sam, tinatap na.
Ano ba?
Sam.
Kay ballerina ta. Tayo.
Hindi. Kay ano pa?
Circus?
Hindi. Kay balerina pala.
Let's start with your favorite chores.
Ako.
Make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Ako. Ay. Ganda niya.
I guess Ballora has better things to do.
Let's zap her. That should be fun.
Bakit late ka?
Huh?
Late.
Ano late? Ano ba?
Okay.
Ano daw?
Mali ko.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Uy, ano ba? Ako yun. Ano ba? Ako yan eh.
Great. Great.
Great daw.
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer.
Tapos ka na.
Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Saan?
Dito!
Ay. Kay Ballerino.
Hindi, kay Circus Baby. Alam mo ba saan si Circus Baby?
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Huwag natin ano yun ano
Ano?
pintuan. Baka maano si
Akala ko
ano.
ba tapos na tayo dun?
Nag-leave tayo, diba?
Hindi!
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Ako sa blue ikaw sa ano, red.
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock.
Ako.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Ikaw.
Oh, no.
There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen.
Ano?
Commencing system restart.
Kaya ko na to. Di ba nagawa na na? Wait lang, maghintay ka.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent.
Magsasalita pa naman si ano.
Sir Cheese?
Funtime auditorium maintenance vent opened. Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened. Motion trigger. Technician control.
Ano ba? Tagal.
I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do. Come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this. Willingly. Maybe curiosity. Maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Drop.
Sige, ikaw na marunong ha. Hawakan mo ha. Tapos tingin ka muna sa baba. Tapos kapag nakita mo na yung mga mata, nanay,
Nanininig ka dito. Tatatakot ako. Ba't bawal ka ata yun ang
tingin ka na.
Hawakan mo na yung ano. Ba't tayo bawal mong eye contact?
Hawakan mo. Lakas ko talaga.
Wait lang kasi namamadali. Hindi pa.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ano? Hindi ko may usap. Hindi. Oo. Gumagalaw ako.
She's watching us. We have to leave now.
Labas na tayo.
Wait lang.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful,
Ballerino na natin.
that you must restart the system manually.
Umutay ka na naman.
He will then
Watching
tell
na
you
kita.
to crawl through
Umutay.
Ballora Gallery
Malapit
as
ko na
fast
nga.
as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions, you will die.
Kung nga sa
Ballora will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She
One
cannot
lang
see
tayo.
you and can only listen
Ay,
for your
11 na ako.
movement.
Bye-bye, guys.
When you hear her music become louder,